In this video, I'll show you how to create nickname on Instagram. In order to do this, it is really important that you have your device and your Instagram app updated to the latest version. And you can update your device by going to your settings and then about and check for software updates. And you can update your Instagram by going to your Google Play or your App Store, searching for Instagram and then clicking on update. After you've done that, let's go to our Instagram app as we are in right now. And from here, we're going to click on the chat icon at the top right. And in here, we're going to click on the chat or the user that we want to have a nickname for. And now we are going to click on this name at the top. And in here, we see nicknames. When we click on nicknames, you see that we can change the nickname for certain users. And let's say we want to make a nickname for this user. And let's make it this one. Now we click on done. And that is how you create a nickname. You can also change who can edit your nickname by clicking on this. And in here you can select people you follow, only you, or everyone in this chat. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.